Lisa Clanciso, grade 6 result. So today, we're gonna make pulveron. Step is, we're gonna heat the pan. And then, we're gonna put our flour in the heating pan. And we're gonna mix it. Until the flour is cooked. Mix and mix. Is we're gonna put the milk powder. So done. We're gonna mix it again. We're gonna mix it until it's cooked. For the third step is we're gonna put the sugar. And then mix again. Fourth step, we're gonna put the margarine. Mix the margarine in the flour and the milk powder. We're gonna mix until the ingredients is cooked like this. So our pulveron is now cooked, and we're gonna put it in our bowl. So we're gonna cut our wrapper now. After we cut the wrapper, and we will mold the pulveron in the molder. So we're gonna wrap it now.